Nice. Well, we've been hanging out and having a good time, but we want to do a bonfire and shoot off some fireworks tonight. So I'm gonna go pick a spot and get some wood together. All right, that'll make a nice little campfire. I think we need to load up on some fireworks. Okay, you can put them in the back of the K truck. All right, let's see if the K truck will start.